Here we're asked to rewrite each of the following expressions as a single fraction with no negative exponents. So the first thing I'm going to do is deal with those negative exponents. And remember that they only apply to the variable or number that they're kind of attached to here. And since there's no parentheses, right, each of these, like -1, -2, and -1, only apply to those variables. So for the first one, x to the power of -1 times y squared really is going to, the y squared is going to stay in the numerator. X to the power of -1, is going to move to the denominator, which just makes it x to the power of 1 in the denominator there. Now we got plus y over, same idea here. They're both negative though, so I'm going to have a 1 on the top because there's nothing left over. So x squared on the bottom, y to the power of 1, and then plus xy squared. So getting rid of the negative exponents just means I'm putting them in the denominator. Now, that gets rid of the negative exponents part. The second piece, I need to multiply the top and the bottom by something to get rid of those little denominators, x squared, and y. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply by x squared y because that will end up getting rid of both. And anytime I do it to the top, I have to do it to the bottom with my giant ugly one there. And I have to do that to each of these terms here. So on this one here, we get x squared y to the power of 3 over x plus x squared y squared over x squared y squared over xy, my bad, over x squared y plus x to the power of 3 y to the power of 3. Now, when I'm canceling, this x takes away the squared. This x squared and this y will leave me with just 1. So my final answer for this one is y cubed plus x squared y squared over 1 plus x cubed y cubed. Now I have a single fraction with no negative exponents. Second one here, same kind of process. Any negative exponents, I'm going to be putting those things in the denominator. So plus 1 over y cubed all over 1 over y cubed. This one's nice and easy. The thing that I need to multiply ends up being just y cubed on the top and bottom. Multiply that by each piece here, which gives me x squared y to the power of 6 plus y cubed over y cubed over y cubed plus xy cubed. These cancel, these cancel. Final answer is x squared y to the power of 6 plus 1 over 1 plus xy cubed.